Hi, and thanks for tuning into our YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to Access Unlimited's Easy Base accessory for the multi-lift system in the collapsible leg version. The multi-lift, as you may know, is a multiple purpose lift designed around the unique concept that one lift solves all of your lifting and transferring problems. So this same multi-lift, this portion right here, can be used in your vehicle to lift you into or out of your vehicle. In some vehicles, it can actually be used to lift the wheelchair into and out of the vehicle. It can be used in conjunction with a wall mount. It can be used in an RV, SUV, wherever you need a transfer, that's where the multi-lift will work. When you put the multi-lift in combination with the Easy Base, and in particular the collapsible version of the Easy Base, it gives you a lot of freedom and flexibility to go wherever you want to go and to be able to transfer in a wide variety of environments. So let's show you how it works. We have a fully assembled Easy Base here, and in a minute we're going to show you how to disassemble it. The multi-lift sling system does not require you to have the sling on ahead of time. There are other videos on our YouTube channel which will show you how to remove and place the sling, but it actually goes around the user and not underneath, so no lifting is involved in putting the sling on. You'll notice that the Easy Base moves quite easily so that you don't have to pull and tug to get the sling on. The sling is shaped like a horseshoe, so it's not directly underneath the user's bottom. Once we've connected the sling, we raise to an appropriate height. There's a wide variety of settings on the lift, so you can go very high, very low, whatever's necessary. We even have adjustable units now, which can allow you to adjust the length of the straps according to what your needs are on a particular day. So once the user is up and off, we can move about very easily. Lots and lots of different options there. There are brakes on each of the wheels, so if you want to lock it in place, now you won't have to worry about the user rolling away. The lift can go very, very high, although we don't recommend moving the user with the lift in the higher positions. And the total vertical travel of this from the highest position to the lowest position can be, under certain circumstances, as high as 46 inches of vertical travel. It's something like 1.2 meters. Often the question comes, can it be used to lift a person off of the floor? And yes, it can, again, with the proper settings. When going down, you position the wheelchair appropriately, and a little bit of upward pressure on the back of the sling ensures a nice vertical spine and a comfortable position for the sacrum and down below. So we remove the sling and we can move the lift away. Now, if we want to take the sling off, that's quite easy. We simply remove the sling like this, go round the back, leaning forward just a little bit, and the sling is completely off. You can see the shape of the sling for most applications. This is called the general purpose sling. We make 200 to date different versions of our sling systems. So now we'd like to stow the lift. Let's say we want to travel. Okay, there's a number of different ways we can do that. You've got a motion limiter here. Now let's say you're in a hotel, over a bed, or at home, and you want to be able to move the user once they're over something that would keep them safe. Okay, so you can actually rotate this when you're over a safe surface to lower the person. That gives you a lot more flexibility. This is called the spreader bar motion limiter. We remove the swing arm, and this is the swing arm motion limiter. Again, that cannot be removed. Okay, so once you've got that right there, You do not want to move that because that would create a dangerous situation. So we remove that. Next step, take the multi-lift itself off. Everything is completely cordless, so you don't have to worry about connecting or disconnecting anything. So a couple of different ways that we can use the lift from this point in terms of stowage. The easiest way, if you want to travel around, is just to fold the head down, the mast assembly, fold the legs, and I'll move the lift so you can get a better view here. Okay, and you can travel like this. It's quite easy to roll the lift around. It's very lightweight. Let's say you want to put it in the trunk of your car. You simply set it on the edge of the trunk of the car, pick the lift up, and go straight into the car. But let's say that something this length, 48 inches in this case, is a little bit longer than what you'd like or what will fit in your trunk. So we have a couple of different options with the collapsible version. The standard Easy Base doesn't have these features, but you can order it this way. Okay, so we can take the legs, move them out here, all right, and we can actually remove these legs now. We can bring them in like this so that the total package, the handle is now removable. This is all lightweight aluminum. These legs are also very lightweight aluminum, don't weigh very much at all. So we can put it in right here, and you'll notice there's a couple different holes for different settings, and we can make the lift very, very compact here. Okay, now it's still kind of wide, so we release this pin right here, push it into the inboard position, and we have a much smaller package. So that's much easier to put in the trunk of a car. But let's say you've got a real small trunk of a car, or you'd like to put this in your suitcase when you travel on an airline. Well, here's where the real advantages of the collapsible system come in. You simply remove the legs. Okay, remove the legs, and we can actually remove this portion of the legs. Pull the pin out, release this pin, and this comes right off as a nice little separate portion. Same for this leg. Remove the pin, activate the pull pin, and the largest part of the unit now becomes just this portion right here. And that's it. So we want to thank you very much for watching this video. Access Unlimited is 100% dedicated to the idea that you should have every form of mobility that you wish to have. So if you'd like to travel on an airline with your multi-lift system, with the multi-lift collapsible version of the Easy Base, that is now possible. If you'd like to follow us on Facebook, you can find out a lot about our philosophy, what we believe in, and what kind of projects we're working on. We're at facebook.com/accessun. If you're into Twitter, we're at @accessun. And our website for contacting us primarily is www.accessunlimited.com. We have a YouTube channel where you're watching us right now at youtube.com/accessun with to date over 1,600 different videos showing you all kinds of things that you can do. We're limited only by your imagination. That's at youtube.com/ you guessed it, accessun. And of course, you can contact us the old-fashioned way at 1-607-669-4822. We'd love to hear from you and get your input. Thank you so much and have a great day.